Creek Championship winner. He tends to float a little sideways. And by Elam, Captain Elam, and odds are on him. He's young and vivacious. When you get tied up on the riverbank early, surely they don't need refueled at the time to turn it in. Heat 2, starting in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, it's green and way topo. He took a shortcut. Here he comes. Yellow is tailing in the back. Close to the finish line, and it's green! End of the season against the veteran Yellow Duck.